Have you heard of the famous Italian artist and pianist Ludovico Einaudi? He creates some of the most beautiful harmonies and peaceful and emotional music that is really quite simple. In homage to his style, let's create 10 different riffs. Plus, remember to be brave and create a couple yourself. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Please subscribe if you enjoy the content, as this will really help my channel out, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment. If you've missed any of this improvisation series from A to G, then I'll create a playlist to journey up the keys. Today, let's get started in the key of G, and in true Einaudi style, we're not going to actually ever arrive to rest on G, but just suggest these relationships. So our progression for today is going to go from chord 6 on an E to chord 4 on a C, chord 5 on a D, and down to chord 2 on an A bass. So out of our 10 riffs today, let's start at the very hardest and begin with number 10. And let's start down on our E. We're going to go up a 5th and then up a 10th, and then we're going to wiggle back and forwards between this 9 and 10 in the left hand. And our rhythm's going to follow a little triplet figure where we go a 1 and a 2, 3, 4. Down to our C note. Then to our D, to the F sharp. All 2 times. And then finish on the A. So let's have a go now at putting a right hand in as well, with a 3rd interval from the E pattern, going up to the B there. Now for the rhythm, we'll hold the right hand just for 1 count and then play the B for the remaining beats. So we'll check that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, again. Down to the C, 2, 3, 4. D pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish on the A, 3, 4. And now one step easier to riff number 9. We're just going to hold right hand 5ths over that same moving bass part down in the left hand. So let's play the right hand 5ths on the 1st and the 2nd beat each time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. D now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down to the A pattern. So stay with me now as these riff ideas will grow easier and easier, and let me know in the comments which riffs you can conquer now and which ones that you'll want to work out more in the coming week. Okay, one step easier again, on to number 8. We're going to hold the bass note, and then with the right hand, let's turn these into octaves. Is another trick that Einaudi often features. And let's step these down. So if we go in triplet figures again with our 4 beats, we can go 1, 2, 3, 4. Think of the pattern going 1st beat, 2nd beat, 3rd beat, 4th beat, and we're just going to wobble back and forwards to our thumb here. So 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. And not changing straight on the beat is also another feature that he plays with so much. So let's put it together. The next hardest pattern plays with a 6th interval on the top with the E to the G, but keeping the triplet figure oscillating backwards and forwards. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and then up to the D pattern. So we'll block with our 6th there, and then we keep that same 6th over the top, up to a D with the 6th notes there, and then down to an A pattern. And with number 7, let's do a little delay as well, which Einaudi also often does with our 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, wait, up, 3, 4, wait, down, 3, 4. Now with number 6, one step easier again. We won't do any delay at all. We'll just keep changing our right hand with the beat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So before we go on to our 5 easiest riffs, I thought I might just chat about Einaudi and my experience hearing his music. A few years ago, a student had invited me with her family along to a concert in Brisbane, and I was very lucky to catch him live. He's currently touring the UK, and he will be coming to Adelaide soonish if you're down that way, and you can catch him here in Australia. So I didn't really know what to expect, but it was a very beautiful experience. Just the sounds that he produces and kind of the limbo that he keeps you in through the concert experience is really incredible. It's so peaceful and very emotional to experience just the varieties of sounds that it creates through strings and through piano and through different medium. Without giving a spoiler, I think, he did do quite a lot of effects with lighting and beautiful multimedia possibilities, but also that continual lilt in and out of major, minor all the way is just truly amazing. Okay, so let's continue with our 5 simplest riffs with an E bass, and the right hand can play a triplet figure with B and G here. So we're 1, 2, 3, 4, but we're going to add a little tune over the top with this hand. We'll float over. 1, 2, 3, 4. And simpler again, we'll hold our bass notes while we play a triplet here in the right hand, just zigzagging backwards and forwards, 4 counts per bottom chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. And riff 3 is easier again. We're just going to go to straight TTs or a duplet figure there in the right hand, and the left hand can interject a bass note with the octave. So we'll play both hands, thumbs, right thumbs, right thumbs, right thumbs. Number 2, we're going to just hold that left hand. And riff 1 is really just the opening little motive with the repeated right hand there. And it's amazing that Einaudi can create such a huge work out of just one little motive that he often opens a piece with. So you might like to check out Fly and Nuovole Bianc, if that's pronounced correctly. But they're just such beautiful works. And remember to have a go at creating a couple of your own little riffs stemming from this idea or something else as well. Let's put them all together, and just so I don't do my head in, we're going to start from the easiest to number 10 in a big run through right now if you want to join me. Have a great week and see you next Thursday. Ta-da!